Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on iPad Pro M5. First, open settings on your device, then from settings you can go to display and brightness section. In display and brightness section you can make the text of your device bolder by switching this toggle to the right. You can also change the text size by going into this menu and then applying the text size that is preferable for your reading comfort. Below in this menu you can also change the display zoom. You can choose between two options, either default one or more space. And for more DPI settings you have to go to accessibility, then go to display and text size, and here you can make the text bold as we did it in the display and brightness settings. We can also make the text even larger by enabling larger accessibility sizes, and then you can make the text as large as you want, almost, but generally speaking it's I think it's too much. And you can also adjust other display and size settings in here, but that's I think that's the closest thing to changing DPI settings on your iPad that you can actually do. You can also use the temporary zoom, which I didn't mention. If you go to accessibility and enable zoom, here you can enable the magnifier, which is not a permanent DPI change, but still it's useful for many reasons. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.